When you're tossing and turning in bed, why not watch an episode of a suspenseful sleep aid to distress? You'll be sure to drift off into sweet dreams afterwards. Enough with the small talk. Let's get straight to today's journey to sleep. Camping alone always feels a bit lonely. So Xiaomei brought her bestie Xiaomai this time. They arrived in a big jeep, speeding along, determined to fill this quiet, secluded mountain area with a lively, down-to-earth atmosphere. By the time they parked and unloaded the trailer, a light rain began to fall in the mountains. This weather knows how to create a plot twist better than a script, with the experience from their last camping trip. Setting up the tent this time was a breeze. Xiao Mei and Xiao Na skillfully unfolded the tent. They connected the air pump, pressed a button, and in seconds, it became a small house that could shield them from wind and rain. As the rain outside grew heavier, the two immediately made a tactical retreat inside. They also took down the awning. This way, they could comfortably shelter from the rain while enjoying the misty mountain view outside. It didn't slow them down at all. Seeing that the rain showed no sign of stopping, Xiao Mei also took the opportunity to hammer in some stakes outside the tent to secure it. The key stress points were firmly anchored to the ground. Although the movements looked a bit rough, this was a crucial step for windproofing. Their experience told them that even a damp-proof mat wouldn't hold up against strong winds. After setting up the tent, they took off their wet jackets and grabbed an absorbent cloth to wipe up any water brought in from coming and going. Then they changed into dry, warm slippers. And started arranging the firewood they brought, laying down a large damp-proof mat, instantly insulated from the chill of the floor. The interior quickly became organized. Only then did Xiao Mei take out the dog crate from the car. Immediately after, they rushed to the double occupancy tent. By this time, the rain outside was getting heavier, and the temperature was gradually dropping. The two took out a portable stove and assembled it in the designated safe spot in the car. The two divided the tasks with unspoken understanding, adding dry wood and lighting the stove. The warm air from the stove instantly filled the space, instantly dispelling the cold wind of the rainy day, taking advantage of the fiery glow. Xiao Mei also casually roasted a few. Considering the urgent needs of people, this is a big problem in the wilderness. Fortunately, Xiao Mei was well prepared. She specially brought an outdoor toilet and other necessities. Xiao Mei slipped out to set up a mini tent. And placed the outdoor toilet inside. A fully functional and highly private outdoor bathroom is set up. Returning to the warm tent, Xiao Mei went to set up the new inflatable sofa. Xiaoyona also cooperated with the setup. For the next period of time, they would refine all the interior facilities one by one. from folding tables to portable stoves, from thermoses to Bluetooth speakers. After the interior designed by the two, it now felt like home inside. The sweet potatoes were also perfectly cooked. They ate the sweet potatoes and then brewed a pot of coffee. The rich aroma of coffee mixed with the sweet potatoes in this mountainous area with the sound of trickling rain is simply too comfortable. This is what camping life should be like. The two girls played with the dog, listened to music, and chatted. Laughter and the girl outside the window intertwined, and time seemed to be truly put in slow motion. Only the tranquility of the present moment remained, unrelated. Until evening came. Xiaomei finally closed the door and began to prepare a feast, pampering herself with what she had made. Corn was put on the stove, and a packet of frozen dumplings was cooked. On the other side, Xiao Zhimao didn't mind getting her hands dirty and started frying a piece of tender tofu, which was fragrant and delicious. Steaming hot dumplings, paired with crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, pan-fried tofu. Simple yet incredibly satisfying. The two ate and chatted about everything under the sun, very happily. Far from the hustle and bustle of the city, they gradually forgot their troubles, leaving only the pure relaxation and joy of camping. Late at night, the wood in the car. Stove still emitted a drowsy warmth. Comfortably warm after eating their fill, the two pulled out a deck of cards and started playing a simple game. The loser had to take a small penalty, a snack brought by them, which, if it had two smiling faces printed on it, would be a wilderness version of a happy planet. Until sleepiness struck. They finally turned off the camping lantern, wrapped themselves in warm and comfortable inflatable sleeping pads. Listening to the pitter-patter of rain outside, they drifted off into sweet dreams, content.